Hello financial investors and welcome to the channel. My name is Brent and in today's video we're going to go ahead and cover the M1 Finance platform and going ahead and removing unneeded businesses from our portfolio or our pies here on the M1 Finance platform. So with that said, if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time we release a brand new video, and of course give this video a thumbs up, make it blue, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Now what I want to go ahead and quickly show you guys is first, the example of removing a company that I would want to remove. So in one of our past videos, we had decided that we're going to go ahead and sell out or remove from our portfolio CTBI, Lancaster Colony Corp, and Las Vegas Sands. I'm still debating on a few others, but at the moment these ones are at zero value invested in them. So now that they have zero value, I'm going to go ahead and edit the portfolio and remove them from my portfolio. Now, if you had equity invested within these portfolios and you went in here and edited them and removed them, what it's actually going to do here is, let's go ahead and just actually hit exit. I'll go ahead and remove these ones, but what you need to do prior to removing them from your portfolio, if they have equity, is sell off all of the equity invested in the stocks first. Otherwise, what's going to happen is if you go into here and let's go ahead and type in CTBI, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that one, and we're going to go ahead and look for Lancaster, and we're going to go ahead and remove that one, and the last one there is LVS, and we're going to go ahead and remove that one. Now my total is 97, so I'm just going to go ahead and just bump up something up. We'll just bump up 3M to 3%, 4% there. This will total 100. Now as soon as I hit save here, what's going to happen is, are you sure you want to make changes in your portfolio? If you removed any slices, they will be sold during your next trade window and the proceeds will be reinvested into the total pie. So what it's telling you is that the slices that you've removed, if you have any equity within those slices, they're going to get automatically sold off, a taxable, whether you're doing it now or earlier, you're going to be selling out of those positions. But the way that we had done it in our last video, where we sold them individually so that the equity in them is zero, that means that when we go in here this time and remove them out of our portfolio, they don't have any equity to sell off, so none of the proceeds will be automatically reinvested. Otherwise, if we had $1,000 in each of these, we remove 3 of them, that $3,000 would get sold off and be automatically reinvested into our total portfolio across all of our stocks. So in this case, I always like to kind of target what stocks I'm buying at the moment, so I don't want to do that. So we're going to go ahead and just hit confirm here, and all we're going to see here is my portfolio has been updated. If I scroll down here towards the bottom, all of the stocks there that had zero equity involved in them are completely removed from the portfolio, and we can kind of check the performance there. I was kind of seeing if there's anything else I may want to remove. AT&T is something I am planning on removing out of the portfolio in the future, just not at this time. And it looks like we do have a few here in the negative. SKT has bounced back very positive here by 29.95%. Altria is kind of interesting here. I think this is some wrong stuff here on M1 Finance. This is showing that it's up 32.34%, but we have the value here down 100 and some. So yeah, the total return's down 16.32. M1 just kind of being buggy there at the moment. But that is basically all I wanted to cover. Just a really quick video going into how to remove companies from your pies, from your portfolios that you no longer want to be invested in. And there are a couple different methods of either selling, going in here and removing them from your portfolio, but that's going to cause you to sell out that equity and have it reinvested into your total pie. My method is going into the individual stock first, selling that portion, 100% of the stock and then some. So in this case, I would say $600 here, because I would want to sell off any value of it right now and the potential value of it tomorrow. And then once it's been sold down to zero, then go into the portfolio and edit it and remove it out of your account. It's a 2-day process. It could take a day if you set it up the day prior, it's sell out of the stocks, and then you just remove from your portfolio. But that is going to be it for this video. In our next video, we'll think of something fun. That was a recent question I had, was how to remove companies from our portfolio if they're just kind of dangling there with zero and you're not going to be invested in them anymore. So thank you guys for tuning in. Again, if you guys are brand new to my channel, have not yet subscribed, go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time we release a brand new video, and of course give this video a thumbs up, make it blue, and thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye bye.